Hi, and welcome to Cloud. We are presenting to you the EcoDrop. Every time we shower or use the sink, water flows down the drain. This water still carries energy, but current systems can't harness it because the flow is slow, soapy, and inconvenient to capture. As a result, the energy is wasted. There is a need for this project as every day, households waste large amounts of water from sinks and showers. This water flows away without being reused, and with it, we lost the potential to generate energy. At the same time, there is a growing need for small, sustainable energy sources, especially for powering low-power devices, or at least providing emergency backup. Here, we provide our solution, which is a compact hydro turbine systems. The system collects wastewater from showers and sinks and channels it through a pipe to spin a turbine. The turbine is connected to a motor that generates electricity, which is then stored in 210 farad 2.7 volt supercapacitor. The data from the system is processed using an INA217 amplifier and also Arduino, and then it was sent to the cloud via an ESP32 for real-time monitoring. As you can see here, this is our EcoDrop model and schematic diagrams for your references. The system is eco-friendly, low-cost, and ideal for powering small devices like sensors, LEDs, or emergency indicators. It can also serve as an educational tool for students, engineers, to understand renewable energy and IoT integration. Most importantly, it promotes energy recovery and sustainable right inside our homes. Unlike solar or wind systems that require space and sunlight or wind flow, our systems work indoors using water that's already being used. While other solutions recycle grey water, they don't generate power, and compared to batteries, our use of supercapacitor is safer, cheaper, and more environmentally friendly for short-term energy storage. That's all from me as a representative of EcoDrop from Group 10. Here is my group member, Imelda Eliza, John Xavier, Lukman Hakim, and myself, Afiq Nuruddin. With this project, we are turning everyday waste into meaningful energy, one drop at a time. Thank you for spending your time with us.